Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called GAQFTPR. GAQFTPR is the ransomware that now attacks many computers all over the world. The ransomware is extremely damaging, of course. It not only infects the system, but it also damages the files. These are some files that I store on my test computer. I can open any files, pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other documents. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called GAQFT or TFPR may be easily injected into the computer. This is what happens when you try to open this specific file. You get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the GAQTFPR extension added. The ransomware drops this ransom note mentioning that the files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file recovery and to contact the developers of this malware using some of these email addresses. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting your data restored. And likewise, there is no point to contact these criminals who stand behind this ransomware because they just don't guarantee anything at all. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this particular ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. Now, to download it, you might need to use some other browser, not Google Chrome, because it may be functioning in a very slow manner. But for instance, you may use the typical browser called Internet Explorer. So go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. This is the official website of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. The program will begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. By the way, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected, but this feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scanning you will see the entire summary of the threats. You will also be able to know the information about their locations. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.